This video will show you how to upload files directly from a video platform that is linked to your 3Play Media account. 3Play Media offers seamless integrations with numerous video platforms, lecture capture systems, and cloud storage platforms. To link your account to 3Play, go to Linked Accounts, link a new account, and select your video platform. Some integrations will ask you to authenticate your video platform. Others will ask you to provide credentials to access your video platform. This is a one-time setup, and you can find specific requirements by video platform on our support site. Once you've integrated your accounts, you can submit videos through your 3Play account or directly from your video platform. To upload files from your 3Play account, click on Order Services. Make your service and turnaround selections, and click Next. Now it's time to upload your media. Click on Choose Files under the linked account you'd like to upload from. Once you've selected your platform, a list of videos in that platform will appear. Click on the files you want to caption, and click Upload. Choose your service and turnaround options, and then click Place Order. After the upload is complete, your files will enter the processing stage and will appear on the My Files page. Captions will automatically be posted back to your video platform once they're completed. To submit videos directly from your video platform, log into your video platform account. Choose the video you want to submit for captioning, subtitling, or audio description. Depending on your video platform, the method to submit videos to 3Play will differ. In most cases, you will add a tag or folder to initiate the order. You can find the specifics for each platform in our support documentation. For example, to submit videos directly from Brightcove, you'll add a tag to the video. We have tags for different turnaround and service levels. Adding the tag 3Play will send your video directly to 3Play for standard captioning. And we'll post the captions back to the video in Brightcove when they're complete. This way, you never have to leave your video platform. Thank you for watching this video. For more information about linked accounts, please read our support articles at support.3playmedia.com and feel free to contact us with any questions.